where do you see the progression within 5G, and where does 5G Advanced sit, and what does that offer, us as or customers and us as a device manufacturer? To me, it seems 5G and the lower latency is as you mentioned, enabling use cases like more in video, right?
Hmm.
Where it's things like body cams
Hmm.
and first responders, as you mentioned. So
That's the early
what's
name of
5G
5G.
Advanced
Eh,
giving us beyond
Sure.
that?
Yeah. So now what happens in 5G Advanced is, so the main the pillars of 5G were, the pyramid or the triangle, enhanced mobile broadband, massive machine type communication, and there's, you have MIMO, massive MIMO. So you have these, and 5G Advanced builds on these. So now you can get about, you know 10 gigabits per second on your downloads and 1 gigabits on your uploads, right? That's pretty big. I mean, it, went up significantly from 5G. And your latencies have also dropped now. It's like 1 millisecond latency.
So it sounds to me I'm the first person. Do I need 10 gig, right?
Probably don't.
Consumer,
Yeah.
probably not, right?
Yeah.
But it sounds like the LTE, or sorry, 5G Advanced and these new services are really more towards kind of the business
Business. Absolutely.
segment,
Private
right? Where
networks.
if I'm putting together point to
Yeah.
point,
Yeah.
going from 2.5
Hmm.
gig to 5 gig to 10 gig, right? That's
Yeah,
meaningful.
absolutely. Like we just talked about private networks.
Yeah,
Perfect use case.
that's meaningful.
And what it does add is, the value add for 5G Advanced is that now your 5G network, which is already intelligent, it is self-aware now. So in the sense that there is a lot of AI that has been introduced into the 5G core. So just think about it. Now your 5G network knows, based on the type of application that you're using, how do I optimize my device radio, and how do I optimize, so the device is aware of what it needs. The network is also aware of what the device needs.
This sounds
And
scary to
and
me. Is this stuff taking over? Skynet. Should we be worried? Should customers be worried about this
yeah.
network self-awareness? Could it be a bad thing, right?
No, I don't think so. I don't think so, because eventually in 6G, all this is going to be standardized. So your device is going to have a self-aware stack, which is standardized. Your network is going to have a self-aware stack, which is also standardized, and they know what they're, how they reorganize, or
They're going to collaborate
yeah,
together to
they're going
make
to
sure, hey,
collaborate with
we're going
them,
to
right?
communicate it best we can.
Yeah, with 5G Advanced, it's a step forward. It's an evolution. It's not really a revolution. 6G will be, but 5G is a step, and people always want to invent and innovate
Of
and
course.
stuff like that. And with AI getting cheaper and cheaper by the day,
Yeah.
it's easier to run these workloads both on the device
Yeah. Yeah.
and the cloud. In fact, the device that we're using, the chipsets that we're using, already have AI built in. Like back in the day, we used to have, all the RF front, and the RF stack was tuned to perform a certain way,
Hmm.
but through a lot of experience. But now they're using AI to figure this out.
So in the I guess the modem chips or the technology we're using in ours, we don't necessarily need a discrete CPU, right? Is it all built into the?
It's part, yes, yes. So the all your AI that's running, it's essentially being used for RF optimization, and it's running on a neural processing engine, which is a core
Mhm.
on the chipset. So it's all on chip.
Gotcha.
It's great.
So it's easier for us to develop, keeps
Yeah,
our costs down. We can
yeah,
deliver that to customers, and now they
absolutely.
can do, like you
Yes,
said, AI in the cloud or AI at the
yes,
edge.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. So yeah,
interesting.
it's exciting times with 5G Advanced.
Awesome.